Morning, you two. First camp of 2021, 2nd of January, so kicking off the new year as we left the arse end of last year. We're up in Brecon Beacons again. We're going to look for a snow camp, which I don't think is going to be very difficult to find today, out with Darren. Yes, we just set off from the truck. Gonna head up to the summit, see what footage we can get on the way.
I'm not sure if you can hear me, but we're not far from the top now. The vis has gone to a minimum, literally getting a bit of a whiteout now. What an awesome walk up, absolutely stunning. So yeah, probably got about 15 minutes to the top. First thing we're going to do is have a brew and set the tents up a bit later on, just before dark probably. So speak to you in a bit. There she is. Home for the night. Just going to pitch up the tents next to this cairn, however you say it. So yeah, here we are. Visibility going back to 0 again. But as quick as the cloud comes in, it disappears again. So we'll see if we can get some nice footage. Any sunsets, sunrises. Let you know in the morning.
Hello again YouTube, welcome back to the tent. So it's quite an eventful woke up. It's currently -5, it's held -5 since about 4 o'clock, so the maximum temperature in the forecast was going to be -4, so we're hoping it's going to get a bit colder tonight. Just got some burgers and beans boiling away. Already had a snack with a pepper army, some crisps, and I got a brew ready to go as well. This is the first time I've ever witnessed gas canister freezing to the point where it's struggling to work. I've got more gas with me. Darren's in the tent next door. What are you eating again, Dar?
I got something to eat, beef stew with potatoes.
Nice, beef stew and potatoes. Yeah, the views up here are absolutely stunning. The clouds have cleared. Taking some time lapses when the clouds clear is absolutely amazing. I don't know, I'm hoping it's going to get down to about -7, -8 tonight maybe. I don't know, we wait and see. So yeah, in the Berghouse, peak 3.2 again. There was quite a lot of snow drifting in earlier on. Seems to have stopped now. I've built a little snow skirt around the tent. Darren's next door is Lanshan 1 again. So yeah, we can have some hot food now and a brew. I think we're gonna head back outside and just see what the night sky's doing. I don't know if you're gonna get any stars tonight. Depends on the cloud cover, but we shall see. So yeah, I'm going to tuck into this. Darren's tucking into his. And bring you back if there's anything to see in the night sky in a bit. Oh! Baltic! Home for the night! +8, just stuck my head out into the vestibule of the tent, and the snow has been swirling that much that even the table and everything in the vestibule is caked in snow. Blowing a holy. I'm try. Oh. Can't even get to the zips. Oh my days. Oh fucking hell. Oh my god, Dara! What? Look at that out there! What the? Oh, things just picked up. Snow's drifting now. Whoa. Epic. Yeah, I'm not staying out here for long. Whoa! Whoa! This drift is bonkers. There was nothing there earlier. Whew. Time to get back in the tent, but
Morning. Well, what an eventful night. Just gonna get packed up now as soon as possible. The wind is, well, it's been all night absolutely hammering the tent. I've had literally 2 hours sleep. I think I slept from 11:45 till around 2. I've been awake ever since, just listening to the tent getting hammered and the snow battering the tent as well. I got a horrible feeling it's going to be super deep up there. The tent is frozen, I can feel it from the inside, literally frozen solid. So it's going to be a chore to pack away. So I'm going to get cracking now, because this is going to take some packing away, I think, and I'm going to pack all my stuff away inside. I'm not going to bring you back now until outside, and I'll give you a little look round. But I'll let you know what, I'll show you what I see when I get out there. See you in a bit. First look outside.
Good morning, Winnie.
Oh my god.
shit. Another night done then, That was a bit,
First of many.
was definitely a bit wild last night, but as usual, that's where my tent was. Where Darren's was, it's snowed in already. So yeah, we're going to make our way off the mountain and see when we get back to the car. Just dropping down now, back to where we parked. It's the first time I filmed because we took a slight detour in the clag and the snow, but yeah, we found our way back, no problem. I can't believe how clear it is here compared to up there. It's absolutely white out. But yeah, couple of 100 yards from the car now, so Darren's heading down. I'm going to follow him and speak to you in a bit. That's it then, guys. Back on the road to the car park for 200 metres to go. Another snow camp done, first one of 2021. Not sure how many beat to follow.
There's reports of a second beast to the east apparently. But, we'll see. So yeah, we took a slight detour on the way down, like I said, but we found it no problem. Bit of an eventful night, and hopefully if you've made it this far, you would have seen some of the footage and some of the pictures of what a brutal night we had, really. Absolutely battered by snow and wind. So yeah, kit done well again to hold up. Here's to the next one.